Wind gusts in excess of 110 km/h were recorded yesterday afternoon as storms rolled over Western Australia's southeast. Forest, near the South Australian border, recorded a wind gust of 114 km/h at 5:11 p.m. yesterday. It was accompanied by another 6 wind gusts greater than 100 km/h that hit the town during the storm, which lasted about 20 minutes. Despite the brutal winds, Forest only picked up 3 mm of rain in the gauge during these storms, with lingering showers bumping it up to 6 mm by midnight. A line of severe storms moving through Kalgoorlie-Boulder now. Heavy rain and a 107 km/h wind gust recorded at the airport. Conditions should ease at cool after this line goes through. https://rajayzodrukpic.com/ek8h3h2j2m. There were over 1,500 lightning strikes within 20 km of the town, and temperatures plummeted to 19 degrees during the storm, a stark contrast to the day's maximum of 40.3 degrees. Kalgoorlie also recorded a 107 km/h wind gust that dropped the temperature by 4 degrees in just a minute and 8 degrees in 6 minutes just before 2 p.m. They also picked up 7.4 mm in 5 minutes with 12 mm of rain all UP. The highest rainfall in the region fell at Salmon Gums, who saw 30 mm fall in total after 2 separate storms passed over the town yesterday. The low-pressure system and associated troughs generated storms that brought over 600,000 lightning strikes across the state. Storms are expected to continue today in the Eucla region and may also become severe. Conditions will ease tomorrow as the system moves east and dissipates. Copyright 9 Digital Proprietary Limited 2017.